guys, this is Sneha from Enchanting Tarot. Welcome to this video and welcome to this place where we talk about crystals, we talk about tarot, oracle cards, healing, reiki, we talk about energy upliftment, we talk about law of attraction, laws of universe and lots more. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, if you like the video, consider subscribing my channel, hit that bell notification so that you never miss an update. Alright, so we are going to talk about today one of the most powerful and one of the most commonly available crystal, which is amethyst. Okay, now amethyst is so powerful that it's one crystal that can mostly help you to get through any of your needs. कोई भी काम अगर आपको एक ही क्रिस्टल से करवाना है तो आप एमेथिस्ट से करा सकते हैं. ओके, बिकॉज एमेथिस्ट इज एसोसिएटेड विद द रिसेप्टिव एनर्जी. Okay, so whenever you want to receive something in life, you want to make yourself ready to receive new things, whenever you want to grow, whenever you want to expand your horizons, amethyst is the crystal. अगर आपने कभी भी क्रिस्टल्स के साथ काम नहीं किया है या आपने नया क्रिस्टल्स के साथ काम करना शुरू किया है तो एमेथिस्ट कैन बी योर फर्स्ट क्रिस्टल. ओके, सो स्टार्ट वर्किंग विथ एमेथिस्ट एंड यू विल रियलाइज दैट दिस इज द एनर्जी दैट यू ऑलवेज वांटेड. अब एमेथिस्ट बहुत सारे फॉर्म्स में आता है. क्रिस्टल्स के बहुत सारे फॉर्म्स होते हैं. एक होता है रॉ फॉर्म, ओके, विच इज लाइक दिस. ओके, सो दिस इज द रॉ फॉर्म ऑफ द क्रिस्टल. उनको जब खुदाई में निकाला जाता है तो वो ऐसे ही निकलते हैं. ओके, इनको फिर शेप किया जाता है. तो ये सबसे ओरिजिनल रॉ फॉर्म है. अगर आपके पास रॉ क्लस्टर्स, दिस आर कॉल्ड एज क्लस्टर्स. ओके, बिकॉज इफ यू सी आई एम नॉट श्योर ऑफ द लाइट. ओके, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पॉइंट्स हियर. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाई इट्स अ क्लस्टर ऑफ द पॉइंट्स. इन पॉइंट्स में से आपको एनर्जी मिलती है. ओके, अगर ये पॉइंट टूट गया तो ये क्रिस्टल बेकार है. ओके, इन्हीं पॉइंट्स को शेप किया जाता है. सो एटलीस्ट यू शुड हैव वन क्लस्टर ऑन योर डेस्क, ऑन योर किड्स डेस्क. ओके, मेक देम यूज लॉट ऑफ क्रिस्टल्स. बचपन से ही बच्चों को आदत डालनी चाहिए क्रिस्टल्स की, सो दैट दे आर कॉन्स्टेंटली प्रोटेक्टेड, दे आर कॉन्स्टेंटली फोकस्ड ऑन देयर जॉब्स और देयर स्टडीज और देयर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स. ऑलराइट, सो amethyst will help them to achieve their dreams. Okay, and raw crystals are the purest form of crystals. उसके बाद बहुत सारे लोग जिनसे क्रिस्टल संभलते नहीं है, so they like to wear it as a pendant. Okay, so I also have one of the beautiful pendants of amethyst. I want to share it with you. Okay, so like this. Okay, so it's a 7 chakra amethyst pendant. I'm not sure about the light. Okay, right, so this is the pure purplish color, dark purple color. Okay, and you can wear it as a pendant. You can also keep it in the form of tumbles around you. Okay, like this. Okay, so they are shaped properly in a form of a tumble. Okay, I hope you can see it, right? And finally, one of the ways that I particularly like to use my crystals is in the form of a pyramid. Okay, these are most powerful when you play with the shapes. That's where you can extract maximum energy. Okay, so I personally like to use it in the form of pyramids, of spheres, and nowadays I'm working with skulls. So I'm most happy working with them in the form of skulls. All right. So talking about what does amethyst do? Amethyst इतना करता क्या है? पहले तो एमेथिस्ट सीधा आपके आग्नेय चक्र से काम करता है. सो द थर्ड आई चक्र, ओके, विच हेल्प्स यू टू इंक्रीज योर इंट्यूशन लेवल, द सिक्स्थ सेंस दैट वी टॉक अबाउट. सो इट हेल्प्स यू टू इंक्रीज योर इंट्यूशन पावर. इट हेल्प्स यू टू ब्रिंग फोकस इन लाइफ. इट हेल्प्स यू टू स्टडी विथ अ ग्रेट कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. ओके, इट नेवर लेट्स यू डिविएट फ्रॉम योर पाथ. द एनर्जी दैट इट ब्रिंग्स अराउंड यू, ओके, इज मोर ऑफ क्लैरिटी. सो जब भी आप एमेथिस्ट के साथ काम करना शुरू करेंगे आपको लाइफ में कभी भी क्लैरिटी की कमी नहीं होगी. ओके, सो इफ यू वांट टू मूव अहेड इन लाइफ, यू नीड टू नो व्हाट इज योर नेक्स्ट स्टेप, what is that I need at the moment. You will always have an answer if you are working with amethyst, if you are keeping amethyst around, if you are doing your meditations with amethyst. Okay, amethyst is also very protective. Okay, अगर आप किसी ऐसी जगह पे जा रहे हैं या आपके जॉब में, ओके, जहाँ पर आपके पास बहुत कंपटीशन है एंड पीपल आर रेडी टू अटैक यू, पीपल आर रेडी टू पुल यू डाउन, इफ you are in such environment, or if you know that your kids are in a class where, you know, if they exceed, their friends might get jealous, you can always keep amethyst around them. Okay, the best use of amethyst is to bring a good night sleep, because it helps you to immediately calm down. When you are calm and when you are composed, you can sleep very well. Okay, it also cures insomnia. So those people who are finding it really difficult to sleep, please keep some amethyst below your pillow cover, in your bedside. Okay, please do keep some amethyst in any form. Okay, in the form of tumbles, in the form of clusters, in the form of pendants. Okay, when you have older people in the house. Okay, because they are the ones who have very little sleep, and they are the ones who need more protection also, because they are very vulnerable because of their age. So either cases, all right, everybody needs amethyst. Okay, be it younger people, be it older people, be it us. Okay, so every one of us needs amethyst. So अगर आपके पास लाइफ में कोई भी ऐसा काम है जिसमें आपको अपना प्रोटेक्शन चाहिए, जिसमें आपको क्लैरिटी चाहिए, जिसमें आपको फोकस चाहिए, जिसमें आपको कंसंट्रेशन पावर चाहिए, जिसमें आपको हाई लेवल ऑफ इंट्यूशन चाहिए, सो ब्रिंग एन एमेथिस्ट होम. ओके, एमेथिस्ट आपके ड्रीम्स के साथ बहुत अच्छे काम करता है. बहुत लोगों को मैसेजेस ड्रीम्स में मिलते हैं. ओके, दे आर नॉट एबल टू वर्क विद देयर कोड्स और ड्रीम्स. ओके, या सुबह होते होते उनको थोड़ा थोड़ा धुंधला धुंधला अपना ड्रीम याद रहता है. ऑलराइट, फॉर देम amethysts are the best. If you meditate with amethyst, okay, if you keep amethyst, or if you tell your dreams to amethyst, okay, talk to your crystals, they will give you the clarity that you need. All right. Also, amethyst can be huge protection crystal if you want to cure addiction. Okay, so if you have some loved ones who are badly trapped, okay, or into addictions of abusive drugs or something, and you want to cure your addiction, then ask them to wear amethyst. Okay, you can program the crystals and give them the energy of amethyst. Okay, whenever you want to bring calmness in your life, if you want to cure your anxiety, amethyst is great. Whenever you're looking for that inner peace, inner happiness, okay, amethyst is the crystal. Alright, so जो भी एक्सट्रीम इमोशंस के साथ काम करना होता है, जिनको बहुत डिप्रेशन होता है, जिनको बहुत एंग्जाइटी होती है, उनके आसपास तो एमेथिस्ट रखना ही चाहिए. ओके, यू कैन वेयर ब्रेसलेट्स ऑफ एमेथिस्ट, यू कैन वेयर पेंडेंट्स ऑफ एमेथिस्ट, यू गेट फाइन रिंग्स ऑफ एमेथिस्ट. ओके, एमेथिस्ट इज वेरी कॉमनली अवेलेबल, यू विल गेट इट एनीवेयर एंड एवरीवेयर. Alright, but please make sure that at least if you have kids, you place in there on their desk. Okay, keep them on their bedside. Alright, and use amethyst for your kids. Now, one of the main things that I have been seeing around is people use amethyst in the bottle, glass bottles filled with water. Now, amethyst is not that good when it comes to interacting with water. Okay, so please avoid that. Instead, what you can do is take a big bowl. Okay, put some amethyst into it. Take up a glass of water or a bottle of water, non-plastic, put it into that bowl. Okay, so that amethyst can charge the glass water. Because it is glass, it can penetrate easily. Alright, but don't put it directly into the water. Okay, because you don't know how those crystals are mined. You don't even know that what amethyst you have is pure amethyst or not. Alright, it can be very, very harmful. So please don't do that. The easiest way is to take a bowl or a plate, put some amethyst or tumbles or any form of amethyst that you have. Alright, और पूरी रात उसके बीच में आप बॉटल रख दीजिए. ओके, बंद बॉटल पानी के साथ, और सुबह वो पानी आप पी सकते हैं. That's the best way to drink crystal water. Okay, you don't have to have crystal submerged in the water. Alright, their energies are good enough to penetrate through any bottles. Okay, if they can penetrate through human bones, alright, they can penetrate through bottles also. So work with amethyst. It is one of the most kindest crystals. All right, it is one of my oldest buddies that have come. I started working with amethyst when I was barely 17 or 18 years of age. I was lucky enough to discover amethyst right at that age. So please grab some crystals, okay, use them, discover their power, and if you have any questions, let me know. Take care, bye bye. If you like this video, then please hit that like button. If you do not like this video, please dislike it so that I come to know that this is something that you're not looking for. All right, take care, bye bye. Have a wonderful evening ahead.